Meet Sylvia Ho, a lawyer who's got the legal info that business people need to know.
Hi. If you're doing business and watching this video, you most likely have a website. Maybe you have a stock terms of use or a disclaimer on your website, or maybe you even have a privacy policy. I have been finding that business owners are confused about the purpose of terms of use and privacy policies. And in this video, I will explain what a terms of use and privacy policy means for a website. First, terms of use for a website is an agreement between the website user and the website owner. This is particularly useful in certain websites. For example, a website that contains intellectual property, such as original works, would want users not to copy the original works. Another example is a professional website, such as mine, which contains educational information, but does not want to create a professional relationship with a user. Another example is a website that hosts forums, and the terms of use may contain certain behavioral guidelines and violations of which would be considered of a grounds for expelling the user from the website. As much as there are business models, there are different terms of uses. So if you have a stock terms of use agreement for your website, it's a good idea to look at it and to see if that matches your business rather than copying anything that's out there on the internet, because they can be quite useful. Now, I'm going to talk about privacy policies. What are privacy policies? A privacy policy is meant to be a signal to users that provide sensitive information such as email addresses, names, and billing information of what that website's policy is for protecting that information. It gives some assurance to the user that the website is taking precautions and avoiding sharing that information. A privacy policy is also particularly important if you store email addresses and sensitive information such as credit cards. It's essential to think through your privacy policies and the way you store that information from hackers. If your website is hacked and customer identification is stolen, the law in Connecticut and Massachusetts, as well as many other states, require you to report that hacking to the government and to customers. So it's very important to think as website owners of your terms of use and your privacy policies to protect your customer, and also to define the relationship between you and the customer. So I hope that was helpful.